Okay, let's do the next exercise. Actually, this is very interesting exercise. You are going to play a game with me. Okay, let's play. Okay, before playing, I'm going to tell the rules. Okay, just tell me the heading of the game. Pick the correct blend from the options given. Okay, these are the options. Okay, these are the options and this is a word. Okay, there are a two letter word is given in the option box. Okay, we want to find it out the first two letter word. Okay, first two letter word we want to find it out from the given options. Okay, did you understand the rules of the game? Yes. Let's play. Okay, just find it out. What is this? No, this is a gas. Gas means the red color cylinder will be that is only a gas. What is this? This is stove. Stove. You are hearing any stove S and T sound, isn't it? Stove. Stove. Okay, let's find where is the ST. Did you find it out? Did you find it out where the ST word is here? Did you find it out? Yes. Where do you find it out? Yes, here. Yes, T. So shall I write it here? Yes, T. Okay. Let's see the next picture here. This picture we will go for this. This is a swing. Swing. Wing. Swing. Yes, W. We want to find it out the yes, W. You are going to find it out the word SW from the given option. Okay, let's find it out. Where is the word SW? Yes, some of them have been find it out very easily. Yes, first word is option is SW. Yes, W. Swing. Okay, next, what is this? She's skating, isn't it? Skate, skate. You're hearing a yes sound as well as K sound. Yes, K. So you're going to find out the word SK from the given option. Did you find it out? Did you find it out? The word SK from the given option? Yes, here is a yes, K. So shall I write it here? Yes, K. Skate, skate. Okay. He is not a king. He is a prince. 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 You are hearing a PR. You are hearing a PR sound. Okay, let's find where is the word PR in the given options. Yes, you are hearing a, where is it? You are hearing a PR sound. Where it is? You have to find it out. I am not going to tell you. Yes, here is a PR. So shall I write it? Yes. PR. Isn't it? Okay. What is this? I have told you already. Yes, this is a flag. This is an Indian flag. It's having a 3 color. Okay, I will tell you detailedly. Yes, in previous exercise. Okay. Okay, now tell me the first two words. Fla. Okay, the first word is F and the second word is L. You want to find it out. FL word from the given options. Did you find it out? Where it is? Please help me. Where it is? Okay, here it is. Very nice. Shall I write it here? FL flag. Okay. See here how the man is strong, isn't it? He is strong. She is pulling his bicep and showing how he is strong. Okay, this is a straw. Okay, you're hearing a 3 letter sound. Yes, T R. Star. STR. You are going to find it out, the word STR from the given options. Find it out quickly, children. It's an easy letter because in option only a 2-letter word is having most of only 1 letter will be the 3-letter options. Yes, did you find it out? Where it is? It is. So shall I write it here? Yes, T or strong. Okay. Let's see the next picture. This is train. Train. Okay, do you all love to travel in train? Did you travel in Ooty train? Isn't it very thrilling, isn't it? Okay, if you not, you can do a travel hereafter in train. It will be very pleasant and very thrilling. Okay, you can hear a nice chikibuku sound from the train, isn't it, children? Okay, I know there is a lot of songs related to train, isn't it, children? Okay, do you all enjoy while you are going in a train? Very good. Okay, let's find it out. The first 2 letter TR. The first 2 letter is TR. Okay, you are going to find it out, the first 2-letter word TR in these options. Did you find it out, children? Where you find it out? Yes, here. Very nice. TR. I'm going to write TR. Okay, listen. Look at here. This is a books in the shelf. 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 Okay, so you are going to find it out, the 2-letter word SH from the given options. You are going to find it out and you are going to help me to find out where is SH in the given options. Did you find it out? Where it is? Yes, it is here. Yes, H. Yes, H. Shelf. Okay, let's move to the next picture. This is chips. Chips. You are hearing a CH sound. Chips. Isn't it? Okay, you are going to find it out, the word CH. Did you find it out? Yes, you can find it out easily because only the 2 options is left over, isn't it? Only the 2 options are left over, isn't it? What are the 2 options? One is TH, is not a T. Chips. CH. Chips. Okay, very nice. Let's look at this picture. This is 3. Okay, tell me the word. Which word will become 3? Do you learn the numbers? Number words? Okay, let's tell me the spelling for 3. TH. 3. Okay, children. So far we have find it out the first 2-letter word. Okay, what is this? This is stove. S T O V E, stove. This is skate. S K A T E, skate. This is flag. F L A G, flag. This is train. T R A I N, train. This is chips. C H I P S, chips. This is swing. S W I N G, swing. This is prince. P R I N C E, Prince. This is strong, S T R O N G, strong. This is shelf, S H E L F, shelf. This is three, T H R E E, tree. Okay children, did you enjoy this gaming section? Let's move to the next exercise. Are you interested? Okay, let's go to the next exercise.